Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Dungeon Blitz Reborn channel. We are so excited for you to join us today. My name is Alisha, the head of the animation design team, and I will be introducing you to the rest of the team, so stay tuned. So today, we're diving into the latest update on the Dungeon Blitz private server. Woohoo! This highly anticipated release promises to bring back the game completely. Before I continue talking about the release, let me hand this over to Matt, our head programmer, to give a brief summary on how the private server works.
Hey guys, so it's Matt here. So basically the server works as an input and output design. Our design team and programmers, including myself and Alisha, have worked really hard. Basically, the server client is the main client that causes the game to correctly respond and actually compute so you can actually play the game, basically. 99% of Dungeon Blitz runs through a private server network, and therefore we need to make sure this works completely in order for the game to succeed. Now, in this following clip, I know many of you wanted to see this. I tried running the server client that we made, and the good news, it worked. The bad news, it causes an error and crashes just before the game fully connects. And we have many theories as to why it didn't work. One of which may be because we combined the old information flow from the original assets and perhaps tried to mirror the way it was created with the original client server with our private server, but I guess it didn't work out. We're going to try to trick the information flow from the original assets and with our private server, perhaps to find a way and perhaps fix that error. But if that doesn't work, we may have to kind of reset, look at the old code and see if we can fix that part again, and hopefully it works. Otherwise, everything else seems to be fine. It's really that error that happens at the end of the connection. You may also notice that we have a maximum population of 500 players in this private server. It's mainly because of the cost, efficiency, and we don't know how much people are actually willing to play the game. So for now, 500 seems reasonable, although it may be changing. Considering the last video, more than 1,000 people have watched and really looked forward to the game, so I guess we will be increasing the population size. But that all depends on if you really like it, and of course, please subscribe for the channel so we understand that much people are actually willing to play this game. Now I'll hand over the rest of the video, I guess, to Alisha, and what else she wants to do, huh? Yeah, she's look at me side-eyeing. Yeah, that's all I guess for now.
Alright folks, it's Alisha here. The rest of the video clips is just the rest of the private server code copy and pasted down to Replit, which designated shows the information that we put on. Overall, it's quite a busy process. I gotta thank Matt for doing a lot of the programming, pretty much the code. He's the guy to look for it, I guess. So now we're gonna introduce the rest of the team. Let's do this.
Hello everybody, I'm Andrew. I'm the other code programmer guy, not that Andrew, haha. I work with Matt to pretty much build the private server code from the scratch up. I specifically work with Emily, another part of the team we will introduce shortly after. And basically I work with her to combine the artwork and with Alisha, who does the animation, and put these sprites together and decompile them into the actual code and jet files to actually run into the server which we use, which is pretty unique, you know.
Hey guys, it's Emily again. You may remember my voice. We have Andrew's from the shorts video we did a couple videos back. Hello everyone. As we continue to make this game and develop its final product.
Yes.
So my job is, as the artist, make the new sprites for the new remake of this game. Basically to make it look more mature, one would say, and it more fluid. So yeah, that's my job. I work with Andrew most of the time because he's the one that puts up the art and as well as Alisha because he's the animator.
So yeah, we have one more guy on our team, but he's a little sick today, so he can't be in this video, unfortunately. However, that's kind of the announcement we have. Basically, if you didn't want to watch all of it and skip to here, the news is this: the server is not completely finished, and the date in which we want to release it is going to be delayed to perhaps November, then this year. That's all.
And thanks for watching, y'all. And remember, Dungeon Blitz is back, baby.